Let's get some measurements of the front where this goes. You can tell that the H pretty much lines up with that hole. And it's down a 1/2 inch. Pretty much nestled up against that one right there. These here, they only go one place. They just follow that line right there. All right, for the side blue, basically you want to fit your mid piece up because that line follows right onto your mid piece. Follows along this line. It's about halfway, and it's 7 inches to the top of it. Now I want to hold this nose piece up. This nose piece is all decal. You notice the color's off a little bit right there because that part is paint. It's even off a little bit from the decal itself too. And what I'm going to do is eliminate the decal on the front, and I paint those on too. That way that matches that, that matches that. We're ready to start laying some of the blue down. Time for a little clear. Got all the clear on there. It'll get a red triangle decal on it. (1993) Cbr900rr. This is only part of the parts here that we got done. I'll go ahead and show all the others after we take a look at these. Can't wait to see these two bikes back together again. Here's round 2 of the parts. How nice is that blue up against that white?